Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall or delete two apps from Mac. I want to remove Firefox application. Click Finder. Click Application. Simply drag the application to trash. One error message pop-up. The item Firefox cannot be moved to trash because it is open. Click Finder. Application. Click Utilities. Click Activity Monitor. Click Firefox application. Click Force a process to quit. Open Finder, Application. Simply drag the app to trash. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.